Welcome.
So nasty.
Sorry your car died. My Maserati just passed. Hey, look.
Kano on the track, damn.
I just want a brand new whip. I just want a brand new bitch. Niggas never really had much. Now I got all this shit. Hey, I just want a brand new whip. I just want a brand new bitch. Niggas never really had much. Now I got all this shit. Hey, smoky like my engine. Ho, get out my business. You ain't even with it. No, I don't need you. I got other bitches, and they got some bitches, and they got some bitches. Ain't here for no pictures, but nigga, I'm flashy. You see the chain? They know the name. Got time for no meat, but I still catch a fade. Woke up this morning, my pockets on orbit. You niggas too comfy. I'm getting this money. She calling, I forward. I just want a foreign with no roof. Roll up a backwood and stuff it with OG. My body got tattoos, them shits tell a story. Nigga, I been on, don't worry about mine. My mama, my grandma, they straight. Walk in the bank and I smell like the pack. Your diamonds so phony, they don't even blink. Keep it 100, I don't need to change. Stella Artois, bitch, I feel like the Wop. Hoes on my dick like my name was The Rock. Bitch, I got work, I'ma load up the dock. Yo, ho and R, raising the bar. We off the bars, ain't talking no zannies, but bitch, I go hard. Put down the pennies and that's waterfall. They want a verse, but they can't afford. I just want a brand new whip. I just want a brand new bitch. Niggas never really.
And we found a fucking skyline that I like. Let's go check this out. It's just tight. This is like the best fucking skyline I've seen here.
Had much. Now I got all this shit, all this shit. I just want a brand new whip. I just want a brand new bitch. Niggas never really had much. Hey, now I got all this shit, all this shit. I just got a brand new clip. This shit hold about 50. I squeeze till it's empty. Nigga, don't tempt me. I'm tempted to fuck up the game. I'm out of pocket, but I got deep pockets. Bloods to the face. This the race, me against me.
Welcome.
Alright, I'm gonna leave them all stickers.
You've got voicemail.
What's up, guys? And we're back. It's a little late from the meet, so I'm not gonna upload this today. I'll probably do this tomorrow, so I'm gonna have it rendered tonight and get this up and going. All I'm here for is just to tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, share, repost. I have plenty more. The boosted MIATA's coming in less than 2 weeks. I'm gonna start boosting it. Gotta buy a tuning cable for my ECU, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna be hitting the track soon and getting this up and going. So don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and peace out.